Let's talk about roofs. I think that many times it can be the main reason somebody may pass on a purchase opportunity. And it could be justifiable if you have to replace a roof just on a 50 to 100 unit complex consisting of 2 to 3 buildings. You're looking at $300,000, and that could obviously affect the overall investment return on the property. Something that many people don't know, and a strategy we utilize often, is we check the insurance loss runs of the current owner. Now, this is before we purchase. And we make sure they haven't filed an insurance claim recently. If they haven't filed an insurance claim, and if there has been damage to their property, specifically their roofs or anything that would be affected by perhaps wind, hail, siding, gutters, even windows sometimes, the seller has the opportunity to file a claim and transfer that to us as buyers all before the actual purchase of the building. It can happen at different stages within the purchase process, but the reason this is beneficial is that whether it happens before closing, at closing, or sometime in the near future after closing, the claim is assigned to us as buyers. So it's on the previous owner's insurance policy, and it's paying for a new roof or possibly gutters or windows or siding, because that is what the previous owner was paying for. Now, one thing to make sure that you keep track of is that some insurance companies will disallow the transfer. However, if you know about these damages before the property closes, all you have to do within the purchase agreement, you'll need to make sure that the seller is on the hook to continuously work with you after the sale of the property. We've done it both ways. We've immediately, the day of closing, had the policy transferred to us, and we just work with the insurance company to put on a new roof. We've also done it so that the insurance company couldn't necessarily transfer the claim to us at close, but what it could do is it could work with the previous owner now, and contractually, that owner is obligated to work with us, the previous owner is obligated to work with us as we talk to the insurance company and we make sure that the new roof and or siding and windows are installed on the new property. And what a great way to not pass on an opportunity because of a $200,000 or $300,000 large CapEx item, and simply utilize an insurance that was paid for by the previous owner and therefore allowing you to close on the property you wanted.